Alright everyone, welcome to our new series on Python, and in this series I plan to cover all the basics of Python, from variables to loops to functions, everything. And by the end of the series, you should be up and running with Python, know the basics, and be able to go into any field of Python you want. With Python, you can create games, make websites, and use data manipulation for various fields. Now, before we get started, let's understand where all of this coding is going to take place. Instead of the traditional way of downloading the Python app, I'll be using the online coding platform REPL.it. This will allow anyone to experiment with Python without having to go through the download process. However, you can still follow along with the code if you have the Python app. So to access REPL, all you have to do is search REPL.it in your browser and then make an account to save your files. Next, create a REPL by clicking in the top left-hand corner, the plus new REPL, and select Python as the language from the drop-down menu. You also have a name option, and you can name your REPL whatever you want, but for our purposes, we'll just name it Python Basics. And there we go, this REPL will load, and that's it. You're ready to get started in Python. Thank you so much for picking this course, and let's get ready to begin your Python journey.